Hey everyone, hello. I can see a lot of amazing folks. Hey, we also have an amazing guest with us. Hi Gabriel,
Hi, how are you doing?
I'm doing absolutely good. And how are you?
Pretty well myself. And it looks like we have a lot of people in the chat who are super excited to be here as well.
Yep. And actually, before we start, it would be great if you folks can drop from where you are hacking this weekend. Career week has just started. I guess this is just the second day, and we are going to cover a lot of things what you did yesterday and what are the amazing technical mini event sessions that are going to happen today. Okay, I can see a lot of hello in the chat. Okay, Prajwal is from India. Yes, Kiddy is also from India, so we have a lot of folks from the APAC region. Okay, so I guess we can quickly start up. Hey everyone, welcome back to day two at Global Hack Week Career Week. And I guess to start off with, I would like to again welcome everyone to day two of Career Week. Now let's meet who are these two amazing folks who are on the stream. To start up with, hey folks, I am Vinayak Rawat. I am a coach at Major League Hacking. I'm an hackathon organizer at Open Hacks. And for everyone who is celebrating, I would like to wish everyone an happy Choti Diwali. It's an occasion which is widely celebrated in the APAC region for the folks who are outside India. I would like to congratulate you as well. And I also have an amazing person with me.
Hi, everyone. My name is Gabriella. I'm also a coach here at Major League Hacking. And something like a fun fact about me is I've been really into baking pumpkin desserts recently. I'm going to bake a pumpkin pie in a few days with my family. And I recently made some pumpkin cookies that turned out like better than I was expecting. So it's been a lot of fun. Awesome. So, I'm curious to hear about how everyone's Global Hack Week went yesterday. It was the first day. How is everyone finding Career Week so far? I know I was finishing up a school project, so I didn't have a chance to tune in to any of the streams yesterday, but I'm super excited to go back and kind of see what all went on yesterday. Looks like we have some people who are enjoying Career Week. Career Week is awesome from 404. Love to hear it. So kind of what y'all did yesterday was learning about agile project management, which is pretty cool. Here's like kind of a screenshot of this stream, learning about what agile is, how it works, and kind of how you can implement it into your development process. I love seeing kind of the screen captures and like all the things that are going on during Global Hack Week. So be sure to share any screen captures or any projects you work on throughout this week at Global Hack Week. We love to see it. Um, we also saw a bunch of you come out for Hacker Hangouts in the Discord. And this is essentially where y'all just kind of come out and hang out with an MLH coach or an MLH or in general. And it's a great time to ask questions and just kind of hang out with a bunch of other like-minded people. You might see yourself here in the Hacker Hangout if you popped out yesterday. And a few of you also flexed your art skills yesterday. Here, as you can see here in the Discord, here's some of the mascots y'all designed for Career Week. They look pretty cool. I always love seeing all the creativity in the Discord throughout Global Hack Week. It's one of my favorite parts. And I hope that we have just as much fun today and throughout the rest of this Global Hack Week for Careers Week.
Okay, I guess folks enjoyed a lot yesterday, but you might be wondering what's actually happening today. So, to start off with, we have a stream of intro to GitHub from Zane. If you're someone who is particularly new to GitHub, want to get their hands dirty on GitHub, trying to learn new things, make sure you join Zane at 1 p.m. Eastern Time and 11:30 p.m. Indian Standard Time. So, this stream will be just after this, once this stream ends. So, if you're looking to get your hands dirty and getting to start with GitHub, this is your go-to stream.
And then after that, you can join Dimmer for how to find your MVP or a minimum viable product. This will be kind of like how you can learn how to build your own product and how to find that kind of like first iteration, which is super awesome. I also love Dimmer's streams. You can tune in at 3 p.m. Eastern today or 1:30 a.m. India Standard Time.
Okay, I guess again, then Dimmer will come up with Gartic Phone mini event that is scheduled to happen at 5 p.m. Eastern Time and 3:30 a.m. Indian Standard Time. It's more like if you, it's very important to take a break from hacking. You will have amazing technical sessions, but it's also important to give your brain that time to, so that it can regenerate its energy. And again, it's from, I guess, everyone's favorite Dimmer. I can see a lot of folks hopping, writing Dimmer in the chat. So yeah, make sure you join Dimmer and have a good fun time.
Yeah, so we have a few people who are saying a dimmer stream equals no sleep. You can always tune back into the recordings later if you need to get some sleep, though. After Dimmer's second stream, we'll have building a job search roadmap with Shriyashi at 6 p.m. Eastern or 4:30 a.m. IST. So if you're starting to look for a job and kind of want to be strategic about it and looking at the different steps you need to take, this is a really good one to join in.
Okay, next up we have Herschel. If you're someone who's looking to build your own portfolio website, make sure you join Herschel at 4 a.m. Eastern Time and 2:30 p.m. Inner Standard Time. And I still remember building personal portfolio website was something which everyone dreamed during the COVID time, because everyone wanted to make their own website of what the things they have done till now. So if you're looking to do same, make sure you join Herschel. That streaming time will be 4 a.m. Eastern Time and 2:30 p.m. Indian Standard Time.
Then after that, you can join Newfall for a resume building and interview skills stream. This will be specific to tech jobs, of course, and this will be taking place at 6 a.m. Eastern tomorrow morning or 4:30 p.m. India Standard Time. And if you're in the APAC region, sounds like a kind of cool way to brush up on those skills, maybe refresh your resume, and get a little bit of extra prep before you go through the interview process.
Okay, again we have Dimmer with another live stream. But before we move ahead, just a reminder: all of these streams will be recorded live on our both of the platforms, that is YouTube and Twitch. So in case you miss any of them due to the time constraint or it's too early in your time zone, the streams will be available. You can get back. You can wake up at your own time. You can look to the streams and you can join that. So moving ahead, we have Dimmer. He will come up with a session of small projects to improve your daily life. So you make sure you join Dimmer at 9 a.m. Eastern Time and 7:30 p.m. Indian Standard Time tomorrow. Again, Dimmer stream, and definitely this is something which I would again like to join as well. So make sure you note down the timings and join Dimmer tomorrow.
And then after that, we'll have another Today in Global Hack Week tomorrow. This will be the same thing as today, but going over what y'all did today and looking ahead to day 3 in Global Hack Week. You can join me in Newfall at 12 p.m. Eastern or 10:30 p.m. India Standard Time. And as like we mentioned earlier, you can always head to Global Hack Week, ghw.mlh.io/schedule. And you'll be able to look at the schedule for all the days and click on those registration links if you weren't able to find them on the Discord ahead of time. And you can add them to your calendar as well through that. But that's kind of all we have for the schedule as far as today. Does anyone have any questions? Do you want to tell us about how your Global Hack Week is going? We'd love to talk with y'all about how Career Week is going.
I'll also check on if any of the questions we have in the chat. Uh, I wanna know, do MLH organize any job fair kind of? As per of my knowledge, we MLH hasn't organized any job fair till now, but we have our career opportunities with we have Fidelity, we have Avant, so you can just go to MLH. Okay, I just need to check on the link.
Yes.
I'll just share in then again. Okay, have you shared that in the chat? Let me share that.
The Career Lab.
Careers. Yep, the career lab one.
Awesome.
And if you're looking for internship opportunities, so we have Major League Hacking Fellowship. That is more like an internship alternative. It will be a 12-week internship where you will be learning about production live. You will be working 100% remotely on open source projects. So you can go and check out for same too. Let me also find links for same.
Yes. I will go through. Someone asked if we can change the timings of dimmer streams. Unfortunately, we can't do that. Coaches are kind of dictated by their availability. The coaches kind of like schedule dictates when those streams are be held. But if it doesn't work with your schedule, you can always tune in after the fact on our Twitch or YouTube channel. We have some people who are excited to see coaches come back after a long time, which is great to see. Someone's curious, what will there be in the MVP product session today? The goal is kind of just to like define like the beginnings of an MVP, which is a minimum viable product. So kind of the first iteration of your website, your like app, kind of talking about how to kind of scope those more into like a more like I guess attainable like product within your time frame. But if you're curious about learning more, there's bound to be a like better description of that on the website, or you can watch out for the Discord announcement later today.
Oh, I did get a question though. I want to know what is the actual timeline for the upcoming MLH fellowship. Just want to know whether it's going to clash with Google Summer of Code or not. I'll just check it, but my recommendation would be if you can raise a ticket over Discord, someone from the fellowship team will definitely take this into consideration and they will tell you the exact timeline for this fellowship structure so that you can make plans so that it does not clash with Google Summer of Code. And if you want to go to our Discord, just go to discord.mls.io. Let me share the link. Okay, I guess that will be up in the chat soon. Okay,
Awesome.
just join our Discord server. Thanks, Yash. Okay,
um,
and we'll check on if we have.
where can I find a link for the MLH prep program? Are you talking about the fellowship prep program or something else? Because I know MLH runs a lot of prep programs, so maybe we
Uh, Yep, MLS Prep program is similar to fellowship program, but in the MLS Prep program, we give an introduction of how MLS fellowship is gonna work. So it's more like we are preparing folks how MLS fellowship is gonna work. So again, you can just go to the fellowship page and you can apply. I guess I have already shared the link, so you'll be able to find it there. And
um,
let me get the link.
um,
Hmm.
Someone said, I
Yep.
don't think they're running the prep program anymore, are there? I don't think that we have completely discontinued it. Don't quote me on that. I'm not seeing any applications for the like fellowship prep program like currently live though. If you want some more information though, you can find it there, and it's a little bit more, I guess, like less frequently run than the fellowship itself.
Okay, again, if you want exact details, you can just raise a ticket over Discord. Someone from the fellowship team will definitely apply. But I just need to check if the fellowship program is on or not. Uh, Let me just get a check on this. Hmm. Do we have any more questions?
Um, 404 was asking what our favorite pizza topping was. This is more of a silly one. I would say it depends on like where you get the pizza from for me. For like I guess like flat crust. I love either just like a like double cheese or bacon. I feel like that's like a pretty good for like flat pizza, but like big crust. I just like love a cheese pizza.
Okay, for me it would be anything with cheese
Hmm.
because I'm someone who loves to have a lot of cheese in my pizza. So yeah, cheese with properly capsicum. Cheese and capsicum is a very good topping for me.
Sounds very good.
Okay. Uh, I've applied a lot of time improving my skills and profile, but I do not get selected every time. Shrey, the best thing I could tell you is to have a conversation with people who have actually graduated from the MLS fellowship program. They are the folks who can guide you the best. What are the ways you can put up your application? Because I guess if you're not getting selected, you might be missing out something. So having a conversation with the people who have already graduated, you can find them over LinkedIn or get them connected through the Discord server, and they will definitely help you for your application. So do not get sad. Try to apply more a number of times. You'll definitely crack it. Oh, would you like to take this up first, Gabriel?
Kind of both of your backgrounds. Are you studying or working? And what kind of projects have you worked on to date? Anything you'd both like to share? Thank you. So I'm still currently in school. I graduate this year, which is exciting. Most of my background is in kind of like front end web development, but I do a little bit of kind of like data cleaning, data visualization using Python. So most familiar with like JavaScript and Python. Um, and outside of that, I did a little bit of hackathon organizing with Tech Together before joining MLH as a coach. So that's a little bit about my background.
Okay. I have recently graduated, probably 3 months before. I'm currently working as a full stack engineer at an organization. And if I tell about my background, it would be more like I'm someone who loves to work around hackathons. I've cracked my job using hackathons when I was used to take part. So yep, that is something I can share with you folks. And someone did ask about the dates for the MLS Fellowship Prep Program. So for the Spring 2024 season, which starts at 29 January 2024, the deadline for Asia, the people who are in the APAC region, is 30th of November 2023. And if you are applying from other regions rather than Asia, then it's 31st of December 2023. So if someone was looking for the dates, yep,
Yes.
I recently graduated. Thank you.
Someone said, not today in Global Hack Week, but today in Fellowship Doubts, which is pretty
Yes,
funny.
we are here to solve all the queries you need.
Yes.
Okay, I'll just see if we haven't missed any more questions.
So I know
Mhm.
there were some questions earlier about the challenges. I don't remember specifically what they were, but if you want more information on kind of like the overall Global Hack Week challenges or today's Global Hack Week challenges, you can find that information here. And there's going to be plenty of people in the Discord that can answer specific questions about that as well as you kind of parse through that information.
Exactly. Okay. Hmm. Mhm. I did see a comment though. I am just hoping if I'm not missing out. Yep, this is something which I wanted to highlight. That was a hacky hangout that hacker started. So no MLH code, just hackers talking. This is the best part about Global Hack Week, right? The community which we have over our Discord server, the best folks. Okay, just checking out. Okay, the two discussions today in MLS Fellowship and today in SWAC. That is constant, but that's good. As per my thinking, this challenges do get changed. Let me just check. Hmm. I do feel they do get changed. Have you completed all the challenges for day one? Because there are a lot of them. I'll just get it checked. But I guess that might be updated, but I'm not totally sure. So make sure you check up on all the challenges till the time either they update, so you'll be able to know more about it. Someone from the Discord will definitely tell you about it. Okay. Yes, we do
um,
not have. Yep.
mhm. um, Someone asked where to access the daily challenges. We have we sent a link a little bit earlier from the Global Hack Week URL, but you can also go to the MLH Dev post where we'll have more information on Global Hack Week challenges as well. Yes. And then someone asked if I'm from the East Coast or West Coast. And then someone else responded, I find it funny that they asked if you're from the East or West Coast. There's almost 30 states in the middle. I am from one of the 30 states in the middle, so I'm from neither the East Coast nor the West Coast. I'm from the Midwest. So, yes.
Okay. Again, it would be nice to get a mentor. Rama, the best thing I could advise you here is you can check upon all the streams that are happening. There are streams for job searching, there are streams for building a portfolio website. So these streams, if you see, if you interact with the coaches, they are definitely going to tell you how better you can choose your tech careers which you like. So try to check on all the streams which are happening and try to find the spaces which you feel that okay, this streams which is something which is going to benefit me, and try to have interaction with coaches because coaches love to interact over streams. I'll be very honest here. So try to get their attention, and their folks who are already in maximum coaches are already in jobs, so they'll definitely help you out there. Okay, a swag question which I would like to answer. I did in the previous MLH event but didn't receive the swags. So what's the reason? Herschel, the thing can be it can be in the customs, because when we try to deliver swags to all around world, there can be cases the swags are somewhere there in customs, but I can guarantee you that will definitely reach you. So you do not need to worry.
So we have another question about the fellowship program. For the specifically on like the MLH prep program. I don't run admissions for this, none of the coaches do, but I think just kind of showing off your experience and like being able to talk about that really well is one of the best ways. And then just like asking questions to people who do run the admissions or who have done this program in the past in the Discord is probably the best way to figure out how to like best cater your application.
Okay. Someone in the chat trying to get their attention in Vinayak 2023. Okay, have I said this?
um, Someone is gifting you a single Dorito chip for graduating.
Can't no more, bro. You can do one thing, 404. You can just hop on for the next edition of Open Hacks. We can have that like a small party over there.
And
It's all good.
that's completely free, so you can join in.
Yep. Uh,
Someone asked about the link to submit completed challenges, and then another hacker sent that link. I love to see y'all answering each other's questions in the chat.
okay. I guess I can see less number of questions. Again, folks, if you're someone who is trying to figure out things for you and it's not working for you, try to look out for streams which are happening. And if I talk about, I guess someone asked for an entry level scenario, try to look out to better your skills, because in the entry level scenario, folks need people, because then they will train them and then they will have them in their organizations. So you will definitely get it. I'll be very honest for that. But it's very important to work on your skills so that you should be the first one to get selected among the a lot of people who are applying. Because I was back then seeing in LinkedIn post for an entry level job, and it was more than I guess 3,000 people applied for a single job. So you will have a lot of competition, but if you are good with your skills, people will be dying to have you on board.
For
So
sure.
try to look for the things you can mark up.
Definitely. I think also like having kind of like more customized reaching out and like interactions with people at that company, whether it be engineers who can kind of like help tell you like what they did to like showcase their skills, or like give you a little bit of an insight of like what like positions they're hiring for. could be helpful as well. I think that like just like talking to as many people as possible would definitely help your kind of like job search process.
Totally makes sense. Hmm. Okay, just might be answering this last question. You should have came to hack this mountain before point. Apparently, at the same time, there was another hackathon, which was partnered up with Major League Hacking. That was Reva Hack. So I was there to coach the hackathon. So that's why I was not able to come to Hack the Mountains 4.0. But I can see a lot of folks in Delhi, so we'll try. Okay, folks are already in place of organizing open hacks in Delhi. Please let me know the venue as Nisarg says so that I can actually proceed for the next edition. But I guess for the next stream, I and Gabriela want to give you some time. So, with that, folks, I can see we do not have any more questions. Thank you so much for joining us for the Today in Global Hack Week stream. That is day two. Uh, try to give yourself some break, uh, and try to join in for the maximum number of streams so that you can learn something new. The next stream is scheduled to happen in just next 30 minutes. So get your food, get yourself relaxed so that you can
Plug
also,
in your computer, get yourself ready.
yeah. Oh man, you're hosting a graduation party for me in Hacker Hangouts. Let me see. I haven't had my food till now, but yeah, I and Gabriela will take an break now, and we'll give you time, folks, to join for the next stream. Till then, bye everyone. We'll see you in the upcoming streams.
Thank y'all for coming out.